Access, filter, and export predefined collections of data from the Brightspace platform to further analyze that data according to your needs. This tutorial shows how to set up and export Brightspace Data Sets. Ensure that Data Hub is enabled prior to setting up a dataset. Brightspace Data Sets contain raw, user-level data from Brightspace Learning Environment and are available to Brightspace Insights and Brightspace Core clients. With Brightspace Data Sets, you can download the complete historical data for the data extracts with a few exceptions. There is a default system limit to return 150 million rows of the most recent data. There are a few datasets where the data is limited to the last 2 calendar years, noted in the descriptions of the datasets. To set up Brightspace Datasets, click the Admin Tools menu and select Roles and Permissions. To ensure you have control over who has access to your important data, you must set up the permissions for the data extracts. Click the role you want to be able to view the datasets. Typically, this will be an administrator. Click the Filter by Tool drop-down list and select Brightspace Datasets. Then, click Apply Filter. Make the Can Access Brightspace Datasets permission active at the organization level. Also, grant access to any other Brightspace datasets that you would like to be able to export. From Brightspace Datasets, you can generate the same information as in the advanced datasets and more. When you are ready, click Save. Once you have set the permissions, you can export a Brightspace dataset. From the navbar, click Data Hub. Unzip the dataset package and open the CSV file with the CSV-compatible software. You can use the CSV file containing the dataset to analyze that data according to your needs. Access, filter, and export predefined collections of data from the Brightspace platform to further analyze that data according to your needs.